children. Today we are going to learn Grade 9 History, Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, the continuation of the first video. That is the second video. That is the continuation of the same lesson only. Second video. First, the First World War. The First World War, the Russian Empire. Why it was called as First World War means, the Allied power and the Axis power, Germany, Austria, Turkey is Central power, and France, Britain, and Russia. It happened in all the parts of the world and it was known as the First World War. Okay. Then what happened? Without consulting Duma, it was the parliament of the Russia was known as Duma. The Tsar declared that the Russia in the empire in the World War. What happened? It became the part of the war, and the people were very much suffered. There was anti-German sentiments. Even the Petersburg, it was a German name they wanted to change as a Petrograd. Then the Tsar Nicholas, as the war was continued, the Tsar refused to consult the main powers of Duma. So it was the Eastern Front different from than of the Western Front. Defeats were shocking and demoralizing. The Russian armies lost badly in Germany and Austria. There were over 7 million casualties. What do you mean by casualties? That means injured people by 1917. And then the destruction of crops and buildings led to over 3 million refugees in Russia. Then let us see the next one, the February Revolution. In the February Revolution means in winter 1970. It was in the famous river Niva. On the left side, the quarters of the factories. On the right bank of the river Niva, the Winter Palace. Again, I will say, in 1917, the conditions of the Petrograd were grim. In the river Niva, there was on the left bank were fashionable areas, the Winter Palace, buildings, palace, and also Duma, that building also there. And then another side, in the right side, they were the workers' quarters. So what happened in 1917? Food shortage, and the people were deeply felt. Winters were very cold. There had been a very what is it? Exceptional frost and heavy snow. In the 22 February, a lockout took place at a factory on the right bank. And then there was a lockout, even 50 factories joined together. The sympathy, the even the women also joined, and it was known as International Women's Day. Why? Because the first time they also joined with a strike. Then the fashionable quarters were surrounded by workers. There was a curfew in February 24 and 25th. The government called off the cavalry, that means the police, and police to suppress the demonstration. But what happened? The cavalry refused to fire on them because first the police was called to restrict the demonstration. But what happens? The cavalry refused to fire and they joined the regiments also. Evening, the soldiers, striking workers, gathered and formed Soviet or Council, the same in the area of Petrograd, Soviet. The military commander, the military commander advised Tsar Nicholas to abdicate. What do you mean by abdicate? Abdicate means to give away his throne. To abdicate means to give away this throne. Then the military commander advised him to abdicate. He followed their advice because there is no chance, no way for him. And on March 2nd, the Soviet leaders and Duma leaders formed a provisional government to run the country. So, what happened? The revolution that brought down the monarchy in February 1917. Next, we have to go through the what is it? After then February Revolution, military commanders advised then Lenin from exile. Before that time, the Lenin, who was the leader of the Bolshevik, was leading that. Now, after the exile, he came and joined with the revolutionary. people, and he has made the Communist Party. Next, we have the Revolution of October 1917. Before that, Lenin has given from after he came from exile, he has given the April thesis. That means the 3 point. What is it? War to be ended, land to be transferred, and bankers, all the banking to be nationalized. So, a provisional government took steps to curb Bolshevik. Peasants and socialists persuaded for the redistribution of land. Then the Revolution of October. Lenin persuaded conflict between Kerensky, who was the Kerensky, was the prime minister. Then the Bolshevik party to agree to a socialist seizure of power. The conflict between the provisional government led by Kerensky. Then Bolshevik under Leon Trotsky decided to seize power. Kerensky, the prime minister, called the troops military man. But what happened? The people loyal to the Bolshevik, they took the control of the telephone and the telegraph office. The ship in the Aurora, the ship in the Aurora also, it shelled the Winter Palace. By nightfall, the city was under the control of the military revolutionary committee. By December, the Bolshevik controlled the area. Next happened what changed after the October Revolution. See here, after that only banks nationalized. Bank nationalized. The land became a social property. The titles that was given for the aristocrats and everything nobility was banned. The large house, now it was partition among the number of the people. The new uniform for army was also given, and peace treaty with Germany was also made. Then there was a civil war that took place between the Bolshevik and the non-Bolshevik. A civil war took place between the Bolshevik and the non-Bolshevik. The next one, making a socialist society, a 5-year plan was introduced. New factories also came, a steel plant. After Lenin, who came? After Lenin, Stalin became. And then he introduced the collectivization of the land. So what happened in 1928? A shortage continues. A land had been given over to the peasants. Small sized peasants' farms could not be modernized. So what happened? He eliminated kulaks. Kulaks were the rich persons. The kulaks were the rich persons. And then later, making a socialist society. Then the collectivization of agriculture and have a collective farms, profit was shared. Those who opposed this collectivization were punished. Then the global influence. Then the global influence. Communist parties were formed. Comintern means a socialist organization was formed. Second World War, USSR given a socialism a global face and the world statue. Then this is the second video, and then this lesson see through the chart Dharma, the fall of monarchy in 1917 and the events in October called the Russian Revolution. The name why it was the period between the 1917 and the fall of monarchy is known as the Russian Revolution. In 1917, in winter, food shortage, heavy snow, lockout, 50 factories were joined and women also joined. That day was known as the International Women Day. Then the government called the cavalry to control. There was a slogan. So what is it? Bread, wages and democracy. The cavalry refused to fire on the demonstrator. Soldiers, workers gathered from Soviet or Council. Military commander advised king to abdicate. So Duma leaders formed provincial government elected on the basis of the universal adult franchise. Then revolution brought the monarchy 1917. That's all. Then you can a little worksheet was given with regard to this lesson. If you go through the lesson and you are able to and answer that worksheet, then read the lesson again one time. Each page it was given so many pictures. The picture also explained the content of the lesson. Thank you.